Learning English, Introduction to Ordinal Numbers. Welcome to our English language learning video series. In this episode, we will dive into the fascinating world of ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are used to indicate the position or order of something in a sequence. Whether you want to talk about dates, rankings, or even giving directions, knowing how to use ordinal numbers is essential. So, let's get started. Before we delve into examples and practice exercises, let's first understand what ordinal numbers are. Ordinal numbers are words that represent the position of something in a series or sequence. They are different from cardinal numbers, which represent quantity. For example, first, second, third, and so on, are ordinal numbers. It's important to note that ordinal numbers in English usually end in th, street, nd, or road. For example, fourth, first, second, and third. However, there are a few exceptions like first, second, third, fifth, and eighth that have irregular forms. Now that we have a basic understanding of ordinal numbers, let's see how they are used in sequences. Ordinal numbers can be used to describe the order of events, objects, or people. For instance, you can use them to talk about the order of months, days of the week, or even the steps of a recipe. Let's take a look at some examples. The second month of the year is February. My birthday is on the 24th of June. She finished in third place in the race. Remember to use the appropriate ordinal number based on the position of the item or event you are describing. Practice using ordinal numbers to describe different sequences, and you'll become more confident in using them. Now it's time for some practice exercises to reinforce what we've learned so far. Let's work through a few examples together. 1. What is the ordinal number for eighth? 2. A, eighth. 3. B, 8. 4. C, 18. Pause the video to think about your answer. The correct answer is A, eighth. 5. Fill in the blank with the correct ordinal number. I am the blank person in line. Pause the video to think about your answer. The correct answer is second. So the sentence becomes, I am the second person in line. Great job! Keep practicing, and soon you'll be an expert at using ordinal numbers in English. Congratulations on completing this lesson on ordinal numbers. We hope you found this video helpful and that you now feel more confident using ordinal numbers in English. Remember to keep practicing and using them in your conversations, writing, and everyday life. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please let us know in the comments below. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons in our English language learning series. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.